Asking a client to digest multiple pages of complex questions with no support is not good service. But having every one of them ring you to walk them through the form isn't good business. Those are time-consuming phone calls that you don't need to have. We know that one pain point for law firms is collecting and organizing the data you need from your clients. Smart forms transform this process on both sides, making it as simple as possible and faster than ever. You can create smart forms to be accessed anywhere and use them as templates for future cases. Smart forms show to clients as responsive, mobile-first documents that expand to look great on any device. Create a series of questions and answer fields fully branded as your firm, and your clients can give you the information you need in small, easy steps. Smart forms auto-save progress at every step, so your client can fill in longer forms as they're going about their day. Your clients value your expertise when defining complex or technical information, so we've enabled you to add explanations into the form across a range of different media, from text to graphics to video. Our smart forms are the perfect combination of automation and personal expertise. They give your client autonomy to act when it's convenient for them, and it's a completely scalable solution for you that means you can give your expert advice once and clients can receive it thousands of times. Use this feature on its own as the first step to your digital transformation or as part of the Link app's full suite of tools. You choose. Book a demo today and see how the Link app provides a scalable onboarding solution without losing the personal approach your clients value so much.